Top 3 Best Beginner FPV Drone Tricks.
Number 1.
Reverse/backward orbits. Learn how to smoothly fly your FPV drone in reverse around an object or point of interest. Mastering reverse orbits adds a new dimension to your flying skills, enabling you to capture unique perspectives and create stunning footage.
Number 2.
The corkscrew. Create an impressive spiral trajectory while maintaining control and stability with the corkscrew maneuver. This dynamic movement is perfect for adding flair and creativity to your FPV flights.
Number 3.
Rolls. Rolls are a fundamental maneuver in FPV flying. Learn how to rotate your drone along its longitudinal axis and perform precise and controlled rolls. Mastering this maneuver will open up possibilities for more advanced aerial acrobatics.